授業を始めます。皆さん、こんにちは。We are now on topic 12, session 2. This session has 3 objectives. First, to read in hiragana the usual activities which friends do together, like going to the mall, coming to school, studying, doing homework, among others. Second, to say one's usual activities with friends in simple Japanese. And third, to share one's usual activities with friends inside and outside the school. In this session, we will talk about the activities you do together with your friends inside and outside the school.
読んでください。友達、約束。
Yakusoku has another meaning aside from promise, and it is appointment. Guard questions. Have you ever set an appointment before with your friends? What kind of appointments did you have? Vocabulary development. Identify the meaning of the highlighted Nihongo expressions based on the given pictures. 皆さん、読んでください。
学校に行く。
Gakko has already been introduced in topic 9 session 1, so this will be just a review. Gakko is a place where you study with your teacher and classmates. Gakko wa eigo de nani?
School.
Minasan, yonde kudasai.
図書室に行く。
Toshoshitsu is a quiet place where you read books and do research. Toshoshitsu wa eigo de nani?
Library.
Minasan, yonde kudasai.
モールに行く。
What writing system was used in the word moru?
カタカナ。
Hi, it's katakana. What do you think is the meaning of moru?
Mall.
What is common among these sentences? Can you guess the pattern used? Take note. The pattern place ni iku is used for talking about the places you go to. Examples: Gakko ni iku, Toshoshitsu ni iku, Moru ni iku. Minasan, yonde kudasai.
家に帰る。
Uchi is a place where we live. As you can see, Uchi is also a place. However, we use kairu instead of iku. Uchi ni kairu means to go home. Please remember this sentence pattern. Minasan, yonde kudasai.
勉強する。
Benkyou suru is an activity you do in school or when you want to know about something. Benkyou suru wa eigo de nani?
To study.
皆さん、読んでください。
宿題をする。
Shukudai is a task you usually do at home to answer a problem given by your teacher. Shukudai wa eigo de nani?
Homework.
皆さん、読んでください。
ダンスの練習をする。
What writing system was used in the word dansu?
カタカナ。
What do you think is the meaning of dansu?
Dance.
Take note. The pattern activity no renshu wo suru is used for talking about the activities you practice.
Describing some activities you do with your friends in Nihongo.
友達と学校に行く。友達と図書室に行く。友達とモールに行く。友達と家に帰る。友達と勉強する。友達と宿題をする。友達とダンスの練習をする。
Sample conversation.
友達とモールに行く？うん、行く。
Which mall do you go to?
SM Mega Mall.
そうなんだ。
Activity. Complete the following conversations using the expressions that you have just learned.
行ってください。友達と勉強する？
Where do you usually study with your friend?
そうなんだ。友達と家に帰る？
How do you usually return home?
そうなんだ。
Please bring out your worksheet entitled
友達との約束。
Instructions. Check the activities in the left column which you do with your own friends. You may also add other activities by writing them down. Then, interview one of your classmates in simple Japanese about the appointments he or she makes with his or her friends. This activity should be done via social media platforms or messaging applications. Write down the name of your classmate on the space provided in the second column. Then, write his or her reply in the same column.
私の友達との約束。ブランクさんの友達との約束。
皆さん、reflection time. What did you learn today? Which activities do you usually do with your friends inside and outside school? Do you share the same activities with your classmates? What is the most common activity that your classmates do together with their friends? Why do you think so? How will you use your new learning from today? Write it down in your Nihongo notes. Jugyo o warimasu. Sayonara!